Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Indian Express Sudoku puzzle on October 17, 2023. Hard Sudoku. 7th row and 7th grade and 10th row we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will be in one of these cells. First grade we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we get pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column F and 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 2nd row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column I we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 6th grade, column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 7. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. Column D, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, I 8th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column G, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade and 4th row, we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column D and 5th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. First grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fourth grade, column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Sixth row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H and 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 5. 7th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th grade, column H, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.